Imagine waking up tomorrow with a clear vision of exactly what you want from life, knowing that every small step you take is pushing you closer to your dreams. Feels powerful, doesn't it? Most people wake up feeling lost, unsure of what to do next, caught in routines that don't lead anywhere. But what if I told you that success isn't random, that it's not about luck or waiting for the right moment? What if I told you there are specific principles, timeless laws, that anyone can follow to unlock their potential and transform their life? These principles aren't complicated. They don't require special talents or endless resources. They simply guide you step by step to become the person you're meant to be. In this video, we're going to explore the exact habits, mindsets, and strategies that create unstoppable success, and I'll show you how you can start using them today. By the end of this video, you won't just understand what makes successful people different. You'll know exactly how to start applying these principles in your life. Imagine having a roadmap that shows you the exact steps to grow, to achieve, and to become unstoppable. That's what we're aiming for today. But before we dive into the strategies, let's talk about the first key principle: clarity of vision. Clarity of vision is about knowing exactly where you want to go. Without it, every day feels like wandering in the dark. People who succeed know what they want, not just in a vague sense, but with precise, focused goals. Think about someone dreaming of starting a business. If they only have a vague idea like, "I want to be rich," they're likely to get lost along the way. But if they set a clear goal, "I want to launch a sustainable online store selling handmade products in 6 months," everything changes. Suddenly, each decision, each action becomes meaningful. Your vision lights the path, and once it's clear, motivation and direction naturally follow. The second principle is discipline, the bridge between your dreams and reality. Motivation alone won't carry you far. It comes and goes like the weather. Discipline, however, is steady, unshakable, and reliable. It's what makes you do the work even on days when you don't feel like it. Imagine training for a marathon. On some days, the couch looks much more inviting than the running track, but discipline pushes you forward. The same applies to building skills, learning, or even small daily habits that add up to big results over time. Discipline also builds confidence. When you consistently show up, even for the smallest tasks, you prove to yourself that you can be trusted with your own goals. Each completed task, no matter how minor, compounds into momentum. And that momentum? It's unstoppable. When you cultivate discipline, you're not relying on fleeting feelings. You're creating a system that guarantees progress, step by step, every single day. Success rarely happens alone. The people around you, their skills, energy, and mindset, can either lift you up or hold you back. That's why the third principle is the network effect. Surround yourself with those who inspire and challenge you. Think of it like this: your network is a mirror of your potential. Want to grow? Spend time with people who are already growing. Need ideas? Collaborate with those who think differently. The power of a strong network isn't just advice, it's accountability, perspective, and energy. Look at entrepreneurs who've built world-changing companies. Rarely did they do it solo. They surrounded themselves with mentors, collaborators, and visionaries. And here's the key: a strong network doesn't just benefit you. It's a two-way street. By giving your time, knowledge, and support, you amplify the network's power. Every connection becomes a multiplier of opportunities, ideas, and growth. No journey toward success is free from obstacles. The fourth principle is resilience, the ability to bounce back when life pushes you down. Everyone faces setbacks, failures, and moments of doubt. What separates those who achieve their dreams from those who don't is the refusal to quit. Resilience transforms mistakes into lessons and obstacles into stepping stones. Imagine an artist rejected by galleries, a writer turned down by publishers, or an entrepreneur with a failed product. Resilient people don't see rejection as defeat. They see it as feedback, a guide to improve and keep going. They understand that failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the process. When you cultivate resilience, you start viewing challenges as opportunities. Every no brings you closer to the next yes. It's a mindset that turns frustration into fuel and doubt into determination, ensuring that nothing, no matter how big or small, can stop your journey forward. Finally, Success isn't just about what you achieve, it's about the impact you make. The fifth principle is contribution, giving back to others, sharing knowledge, and creating value. True success multiplies when it's shared. Think about leaders, entrepreneurs, and mentors who change lives, not just their own, but the lives of countless others. Their achievements ripple outward. Contribution doesn't have to be grandiose. It can be as simple as offering guidance to someone struggling, supporting a community project, or teaching what you know. When you focus on others, you create trust, goodwill, and lasting connections. The act of giving also strengthens your sense of purpose and fulfillment, which fuels your own growth. In essence, the more you contribute, the more your own success flourishes. By helping others, you unlock doors you didn't even know existed, creating a cycle of positivity, opportunity, and momentum. So, remember this: clarity, discipline, connection, resilience, and contribution. They're not just ideas, they're actions you can take starting today. Your journey won't be perfect, and it won't always be easy, but every small step compounds into extraordinary results. Success is a process, not a sudden event, and the beauty is, it's available to anyone willing to commit, learn, and act. Now, take a moment. Pick one principle from today's video and apply it immediately. Write down your goal, reach out to someone inspiring, or commit to showing up for yourself. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most powerful. Your journey begins now, and your potential is limitless. Keep moving forward, stay resilient, and remember, your future success starts with the actions you take today.